the West Virginia characters from Hillbilly Hot Dogs sending one of their wild creations. You sent me everything under the sun here. What's the menu item?
I sent you our Spank'n Bacon Hillbilly Harlot.
How are we making it?
In a pan, fry up, there should be 5 slices of bacon.
All right, so we're gonna cook this bacon off.
What does this dish look like, Sherry?
It looks like a relish with some rice in it.
All right, saute the peppers and onions. And the rice is gonna go on top of this dish?
I use the rice as the binder because without it, it's too soupy for the hot dog.
What's he chopping, that bacon?
See, I just tear it up.
Guy's got to chef it up.
Yeah.
Gotta do something here.
Battle of the Blondes.
Hey,
Okay, just make sure it's good. Yep.
Hunter's watching me sweat it out to the oldies over here. In with that.
Perfect.
Now go in with the rice.
Yeah. And your Worcestershire,
And what is this little concoction you gave me?
brown sugar, crushed red pepper, and black pepper.
Got it.
Throw in your tomatoes, cover it up, and let it simmer a little bit, nice and slow.
What kind of hot dog do we have?
It's an all beef,
Wrapped in bacon?
double wrapped. Flash fry in about a minute, minute and a half, and then right into the pan just to finish them off and give them that golden touch.
Dynamite. How do you want us to heat up the buns?
Just toast the top of it. Yeah, that looks good.
Looks awesome. We're gonna serve this up.
Lay that weenie down.
Sauce over the top.
This is a pretty complicated weenie to put together here.
It's a fancy dog.
Mm.
Got him speechless.
That's a next level weenie right there.
Woohoo!
I'm gonna try to break this down for you, but I don't have enough words because I want to shove this in my face again.
Yeehaw!
You already can't go wrong with a bacon-wrapped hot dog. But this jambalaya rice mix that we have going on, that's honestly just stupid. I would take a bath in that.
Hunter's exactly right. This hot dog has such great texture, such great meatiness. Nice bun, the bun holds up but doesn't compete. It just becomes basically a napkin you can eat. But this chili sauce, rice, onion, bacon fat, cut up bacon, super spice, it's fantastic.
Thank you.